Alright guys, this is episode 12 of 2018. It's the 7th of April today. So I've got quite a few things that I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to be planting some beetroot directly outside. I'm going to be thinning out my beetroot which we planted in the modules. Planting some potatoes today and some carrots, and I'm going to be pruning some of my tomato plants and my cucumber plants and some other little bits and bobs. So hope everyone's okay today. So we'll make a start and we'll get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm going to be sowing my beetroot in here this year. I've done 2 rows already, but I'm going to put another 2 rows in. So I'm just going to dig over this soil, remove any weeds or big stones, any other bits of rubbish. So I think I've finished now. There's most of the stones and weeds out. So I'm going to put these old tent poles in here as my row markers. I'm spacing them about 6 inches apart. Just allows you to tie a bit of string across. So I'm going to be using this bit of wood to make our trench to sow the seeds into. Helps you get a nice straight line and whatnot. So I'll just press it into the soil gently just to make a little groove. And we're going to sow these seeds. We're going to sow them about 1 inch or 2 apart, and later on we're going to be thinning them out to about 1 every 4 inches or so. As I say, it's always best to over sow than it is to under sow. And the beetroot seeds, you get loads in each packet, and so it's worth just putting them in every inch or 2. Just thinning them out later on. Don't worry too much about measuring it, just chuck them in there. And cover them over with some soil. And lightly tap it down. That's pretty much all there is to it, to sowing the beetroot seeds outside. So we've done 4 rows now. It goes bolt hardy, red hawk, bolt hardy, red hawk. So I'll get back to you in a second, and we're going to be planting some potatoes, I think. Right, so I'm going to plant my potatoes today, or some of them. So I'm just going to choose 3 with nice chits on them. I think I'm going to sow 3 today in a big bucket that I've got. So I'll select 3 and I will get back to you when we go outside and plant them. Right, so this is what I'm going to be sowing the potatoes in. Just a big bucket. I've selected my 3 nice chitted potatoes. The variety of these ones is Desiree. So I could probably get away with a couple more in here, but last year they got really overcrowded, so I'm just going to stick with 3 in this bucket this year. I'm just going to press them in and leave the green shoots pointing upwards. And I'm going to cover them over and get back to you in a second. Alright, so I've covered them up with about 4 inches of soil, and now I'm going to put this chicken wire over the top to stop the cats from digging in there and pooing in it, because they love to do that every time I dig up something. So I'll get that done and get it back to you in a second. Right, so I'm hoping this will keep the cats off of here, because I'm getting fed up with them digging in there, and I dug it over yesterday and they've already dug in it, so I just had to take cat poo out of there. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a second. I've sown some carrots in here. I made 24 holes in each one, 6 by 4, and just stuck about 3 or 4 seeds in each hole. So I'll get back to you in a second. I've just put my spinach outside. Just put 4 of them in this little planter for now. We've chosen some quite warm temperatures, so they should be fine. Spinach should be fine outside anyway. So yeah, we'll head indoors in a second, and I'm going to be pruning my cucumber and tomato plants. Right, so we're just going to snip the bottom leaves off of these cucumbers and tomatoes. It just stops the bottoms of the plant getting too crowded, and helps to prevent any fungus or anything. Just helps the airflow, and it also helps the light get to the new growth at the bottom. So yeah, I'll show you another one. We're just literally taking off the bottom 2 or 3 leaves, just where they start going a bit yellow and that, just snip them off, and hopefully that'll help the rest of the plant be a bit stronger. So they're quite sturdy plants. I mean, I haven't staked them yet, and they're still pretty sturdy, so I'll be putting stake in them soon. I'm just gonna trim the tomato plants. You've got to do the same thing. Well, you don't have to do anything with them, but I like to keep the bottoms pruned. I like to take off about 1/3 of the bottom leaves normally, or any other ones that look unhealthy, any yellow bits or anything, just take it off. Just helps prevent stuff, I think. And if you did have anything, it would hopefully prevent it from spreading. Yeah, just snip these ones off. And I'll show you with another one as well. Just take the bottom couple of leaf branches off. Leave the bottom of the plant nice and open. Right, so I'm going to start staking some of these in a minute, I think, as well. So I'll get back to you in a minute and I'll show you that. Right, so I'm going to start hardening these off soon by putting them outside for a few hours a day. The problem is when you do that, the wind will blow them over. So I'm just going to put one of these. I've got these 3-foot canes, so it should be 2-foot canes, I think. We're just going to put about 1 inch away from the plant, and we're going to tie off the main stem. Probably only need to tie it once at the moment. We'll do it about every 6 inches or so as it grows up the pole. It's just simple, just tie it around the main stem and tie it to the stick. Make sure you tie it nice and loose. You don't want to, because as the plant grows, you don't want it to get strangled by the rope. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. I'll probably get some more done. I've got to thin out some beetroot seedlings as well in a minute, so we'll get that done. So I will get back to you in a minute. Alright, so I'm going to be thinning these seedlings out today. These are the beetroot. We've got 3 in there actually, which didn't germinate, so after I've thinned these out, I will stick some more seeds in the empty cells. So we just select the weaker one, or weaker ones, because beetroot sometimes you can get up to 4 or 5 seedlings come up per seed. So let's take this one out. He's smaller and closer to the edge. These do pretty even, but we'll take out the one that's nice central. So he is nice in the middle and he's on the edge, so we'll get rid of him. Alright, so I've finished thinning them out, and now I'm just going to plant 3 more seeds in these empty cells. So I'm just going to take the seed, make a little hole, stick the seed in, cover it up, and press it down a bit. I'll do the exact same thing again with this one. Seed in, cover him up, and press him down. And the last one, and hopefully these will germinate. Then we'll have all 40 seedlings of beetroot. So I'm just going to give these a quick water. They haven't been watered yet since I sown the seeds, so we'll give them a quick water. I've got one of these spray bowls, they're quite handy, get them in the pound shop. So in a minute I'm going to show you my onions. This is one of my onions. They keep flopping over, so I've made these little hoops to support them. I don't know if you need to do this, you probably don't, but I think it's just going to help because they keep trapping the leaves in between plant pots. So I thought I'd make these little hoops for them, just to keep them upright. So that's one I've done. I'll get the rest of them done, and I'll get back to you when I've finished. Right, so they're all done now. They're all standing up straight now instead of flopping all over the place. So I keep damaging the ends of the leaves by accidentally trapping them and pinching them in between the plant pots. Alright then guys, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. So we've got quite a lot done today. Weather's been lovely for 3 days now, so that was filmed over the past couple of days. I didn't do it all today. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you on the next episode guys. Have a good day. See you later on.